My name is Mulawka. I'm a total joint reconstruction specialist with Northwest Orthopaedic Specialists. I was born and raised in Minnesota, and I went to undergraduate school at the University of Wisconsin-Madison, where I did biomedical engineering. Then I did medical school at the University of Minnesota in the Twin Cities, and then residency in the University of New Mexico in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And then I did a fellowship in total joint reconstruction in Boston, Massachusetts at Harvard Combined Fellowship. I am married. I have 2 kids, a 4-year-old and a 1-year-old. My favorite hobbies are really anything that's outdoors. I enjoy fly fishing, I enjoy being on the water, mountain biking, hiking, and just kind of being outside in nature. I treat hip pain and knee pain, and we range all the way from non-invasive procedures, physical therapy, over-the-counter medications, all the way to the more invasive procedures such as total joint replacements, such as hip and knee replacements. The most important thing for someone that's experiencing hip or knee pain is to try to keep moving, try to keep active, try to use your joints, and try to work through it as best as you can. We're here for you if you're having pain that you're not able to compensate with, but we want to be able to keep you doing the things that you love to do. I was inspired to be an orthopedic surgeon because of the ability to help people improve their quality of life, as well as use my hands to benefit the greater good. The best part about being a hip and knee surgeon is watching someone improve their quality of life by being able to take somebody with hip or knee pain and rehabilitate them so they can have a satisfying outcome in a very short time frame is really rewarding. And I joined Northwest Orthopaedics because they're a highly respected group of physicians and a team that has really taken great care of patients for many years, and I wanted to be a part of that organization.